What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be putting down my first application of fertilizer for the 2019 lawn care season. The only thing I've done so far this year is just put down my pre-emergent, which was prodiamine. Go ahead and check that video out if you want to see exactly what I did. Right now we're kind of in the middle of some rainstorms, so I thought this would be a good time to get out, put my fertilizer down, put some biostimulants down, and then let the rain kind of soak everything into the lawn. The color of the lawn and the thickness of the lawn is way better than it was this time last year. So I'm super excited about how the lawn's going to perform this year. So stick around, folks, and check out what I'm going to be doing in my lawn today in this video. So the fertilizer I'm putting down today is a product by Purely Organics. Their bag used to look a little bit different, and I've actually noticed it in years past, but I never really checked it out. And then this year their bag kind of caught my eye a little bit more, and I realized it was basically a clone of the Ringer Lawn Restore. It's a plant-based organic fertilizer similar to the Ringer Lawn Restore, or at least I think it's a plant-based organic fertilizer. It's not biosolids. The analysis is a 1002, very similar to a Ringer Lawn Restore as well. I think the potassium is a little bit less than the Ringer Lawn Restore. But I wanted to go with this because it doesn't have any phosphorus, and like I said in my previous video where I talked about my soil tests, I didn't want to put down any more phosphorus, at least on this initial application, because I just don't need it right now. So I'm going to be putting this down at 7 pounds per 1,000, so it'll just give me right under 3/4 pound of nitrogen.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school, so you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
So in addition to my organic fertilizer, I'm going to be putting down my Humic 12 and RGS with my hose end sprayer. Both of these products are really good to help kind of boost the performance of your fertilizer, but more importantly, it helps the overall health of the plant as well. My Humic 12 is going to be able to help the plant absorb more nutrients from the soil, and my RGS is going to help drive deeper roots for the plant. And a plant with deeper roots is going to be a lot healthier than a plant with shallow roots, especially in a time where we run into a lot of heat and stress. Those deeper roots are going to help that plant stay more resilient and resistant to some of those stresses. So today I'm putting down my Humic 12 at 6 ounces per 1,000 and my RGS at 3 ounces per 1,000. Alright guys, well that is a wrap on round one of my 2019 fertility program. Worked out perfect because we're probably about to get some rain here within the next couple hours, and I know it's going to rain tomorrow. Super excited about the lawn this year. Like I said, it's greening up really nice before I ever got any fertilizer down, so I'm really pumped to just see how this lawn performs this year. If you guys like my content, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments below. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming out this year, just trying different things, specifically in the backyard. Since it is a slope, I want to try to get my hands on a little bit on a different mower, possibly. I'm just going to try different things since it's a kind of a unique situation back there. Like I said, guys, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.